Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're out here in the garage working on my 2008 Toyota Tundra. Today we have a broken ABS cable here. This is the wire harness that plugs into the sensor down at the wheel well, and then it comes up, connects up inside the engine bay there. Super easy fix. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get it taken out and put the new one in. And save you a couple $100 in shop fees. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If there's something you like or don't like about the video, go ahead and leave me a comment. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video. First off, there's going to be this little protective cover over the sensor. Just get some flat head screwdriver there and just pop it off. Once you get the cover off, you can do it with your hands, but sometimes it's kind of difficult. I usually use needle nose pliers, but if you're using the pliers, you have to be extra careful not to damage it. You can just do a light squeeze, and it pops right out there. So now we're gonna follow the cable up here. There's gonna be a lot of connectors. So with these little clips, you're just gonna squeeze them with the needle nose, and then just use your finger to push it right through, just like that. Super easy. Just keep going along. So now we're behind the wheel. It's gonna make it easier. Now we have the wheel turned all the way to the right. You get to this little metal point. There's going to be a 10mm screw. We're just going to undo that with an impact wrench. If you don't have an impact, you can use just a regular wrench. It'll just take longer. Alright, so we got that. Now this is where my line broke. So we're just going to keep coming up here. And this next one is another wire clip here. My impact wrench didn't fit. If you have an angled one, then you could use that. I was going to use a ratcheting wrench here. This metal bracket here, it goes all the way up here and connects to these 3 wires. And this one too, the impact's not going to fit there. Just using the ratchet. So to remove this, you're going to have to get the needle nose pliers back here. I'm not going to be able to do it with the camera in the way, but to undo these 3 pipes over here that are connected to this bracket, it's going to be the same little connector that were on the plastic ones on the first part of the line we videoed. So you're going to get the needle nose pliers back in there and pinch it, and then just pull it right off. And this is going to be the top connector here. You can just pinch the top and just pull it up, just like that. We're not going to replace this bracket here just because it's super hard to get to. If you wanted to do it, you can just reach your wrench. It has to be down behind. There's a 10mm nut down on the back end there. So we're just going to leave it. To disconnect this, to disconnect here, you gotta lift up on this little pin. It's holding it in, and I'll just slide right up. We get that little clip out, and then it just pops right off. And once we get that off of there, we're just gonna take some needle nose, or if you have some clippers or something to break that little zip tie. Been down here so long, they're super brittle, easy to break off. And we'll go ahead and pull that out. We'll grab the new one. We're just gonna grab the new one here, bring it up. We're just Just gonna slip it right onto that bracket. And just slide it down. It should clip right in. Just like that. Now we're going to connect our top bolt to it. There we go. That's connected, clipped in. And we're just going to continue down the line here, just the same way as we took it off. Putting these 10mm screws back in all the way down the line. And then reconnect these. The wire comes with all the connectors already put on, so you just got to pop them in. And then we'll connect it down at the bottom, and we'll all be set. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And go ahead and leave me a comment. If you didn't like something, you can let me know in the comment section. Or if there's something you liked, go ahead and comment on it as well. And then if there's a video or something you want me to do in the future, just go ahead and comment, and I will try to do that to help you out. Thank you. Keep on doing it yourself.